participation here today is a crucial partnership. And as I thank you again for all of you for availing yourselves, and I'm certain there is plenty to participate in as we drive the strategic direction for the audiovisual industry in Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, the AV industry is increasingly becoming a very important part of the Fijian economy. And I think in 2016 it contributed over 0.9% towards the Fijian GDP. Now, in moving forward, the government is mindful of the benefits that such a growing industry brings in terms of employment and economic activity and film tourism. In 2016, I think we've had a total of 57 odd productions. The value of this was about $135 odd million. And these production companies spent $43 million directly into the economy and generated new economic activity to the tune of about $120.4 million. The government, ladies and gentlemen, is quite serious about the industry, and this is evident through the best film rebate incentive in the world, which is 47% provided by the government. The significant increase in high-quality productions is a clear indication of the success of the incentives and in attracting production houses, and it is the government's commitment and confidence that Fiji can become the most desired location for filmmakers. Last year, the government paid out more than Fijian $20 million in rebates to film production companies. The response received by them was that Fiji is one of the greatest experiences they've ever had, because the system was honest, clear, and very effective. This year, ladies and gentlemen, we've kicked off with a bang, and the first half alone seeing over $175 million worth of productions, which is about 29.6% increase from last year's total production value. Needless to say, this year is going to be busier with more quality productions scheduled for the second half of this year, and we're looking at another record-breaking year for the film industry. And I know Film Fiji, the chair and the CEO and the board have been working very hard on next year's production slate, and are working on some very, very good quality projects. Now, apart from the direct benefits, the production of films and shows in Fiji increases the visibility of our country on the international stage, which in turn promotes and boosts the tourism sector by driving visitor arrivals. Now, also, ladies and gentlemen, I can assure you that all that the Fijian government will do is support and continue to support the industry. It will strengthen Film Fiji's capacity through the provision of additional resources, and continue with the film tax rebate and ensure that there is an increased presence in overseas markets. All in all, the government's vision for the industry is to see that the film industry continues to grow and prosper and become one of the major contributors to our national gross domestic product. Coming back to today's seminar, ladies and gentlemen, we have speakers during the various sessions that will provide information and guidance throughout the day, and as we continue to grow and develop this industry. Please make sure that you make full use of the fact that they're here. So it's kind of hard to get all these people in the one room sometimes. We also have two experienced international producers, Ralph Winter and Jesse Jensen, who will provide valuable insight and perspective into the industry from their point of view. And I encourage you all to ask them as many questions as possible. So make sure you grill them while you still can. As I said earlier, to make this industry a continuing success, the Fijian government needs all its stakeholders to work together. We've done this successfully across quite a few sectors, and then the players in the industry need to ensure that the standards and the integrity of the industry is maintained at all times. It's a bit like our pristine islands, we like to maintain that. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all a wonderful day today and tomorrow, and a productive seminar, and I look forward to great progression from here on in for the industry. And I'll be around for a little bit if some of you maybe